World Cup. You know, I was 17 years old. I didn't expect that. You know, I was there. It was like a dream. Then I cannot forget. We compare the last World Cup, for example. The last World Cup, I was already, you know, a former player. Then I was, you know, the player who the people expect. You know, I decided to play the last World Cup in Mexico 17. This was more tough, the big responsibility. Then, you know, it's difficult to say which one was, you know, both was fantastic for me all my life, and then I have to thank God for that, you know, and my teammates, because you cannot do alone anything, you know. Always you have to have your support of your teammates, you know, your family. You have an excellent family who support me all the time, and thanks God for that, and thanks all of you.